Randle S. Corfman was born and raised on a farm near Wichita, Kansas. As a youth driving a tractor, he was often seen looking up to watch airplanes from Cessna, Beechcraft, Boeing, and Learjet fly to and from their factories in Wichita, the air capital of the world. His uncle, Junior Miller, a B-17 captain in World War II, further inspired him to fly. His pursuit of aviation had to wait until just before graduating from medical school. He finished medical school early and studied Glime's flight instruction manual, soloing, in 1983. He sought out the best flight instructor in the air capital and was fortunate to have Charles Seitz take him under his wing, guiding him through his private, instrument, and commercial pilot training. Randy went to school for a long time. He obtained a BA in chemistry and biology from Kansas Wesleyan University in 1975, a PhD in biochemistry from Kansas State University in 1979, an MD in medicine from the University of Kansas in 1983, residency in obstetrics and gynecology from the University of Kansas, Wichita in 1987, and a fellowship in reproductive endocrinology from Yale University School of Medicine in 1987. He left Yale and came to Rochester, Minnesota in 1989 to take a faculty position at the Mayo Clinic. He is widely published in biochemistry and medical journals and textbooks. Throughout his medical studies, he continued to fly. While at Mayo, he was tasked with founding the in vitro fertilization and in bringing minimally invasive endoscopic surgery to the Mayo Clinic. After successfully initiating those programs, he left Mayo and established the Midwest Center for Reproductive Health in the Twin Cities, where he incorporated his love of medicine with his love of aviation. His mission to provide care for people living in rural areas through aviation has lasted for over 30 years, flying a Cessna T-210 to attend clinics throughout the upper Midwest all the way to Alaska. He was influenced by Kansas medical pioneer Arthur Hertzler, MD, author of Horse and Buggy Doctor, substituting an airplane for the horse and buggy. His clinics were responsible for bringing over 13,000 babies into this world. Dr. Corfman became an aviation medical examiner in 1999, focusing his efforts on keeping pilots flying. For 15 years, he has hosted Medical Matters, a forum on the website supercub.org in which he volunteers to help guide pilots from across the nation through medical problems as they pertain to aviation. He's written a column in Minnesota Flyer on behalf of the Minnesota Pilots Association every month for over 12 years. Dr. Corfman has been recognized with faculty teaching awards at Yale University and at Mayo Clinic. He continues to serve as a faculty member at several universities and high schools. He is frequently an aviation guest speaker, and it was through those experiences that he recognized the lack of a pilot organization and aviation conference in Minnesota. He gathered a cadre of fellow Minnesota pilots, founding the Minnesota Pilots Association in 2013 and established the Great Minnesota Aviation Gathering, now in its 11th year. Randy has collaborated with Santa Claus, letting Santa fly his Super Cub for over 15 years. He has organized and participated in many EAA Young Eagle and Aviation events, introducing hundreds of young people to the magic of flight, striving to preserve aviation as an option for his children and grandchildren so that they too can experience the magic of flight.